Hello there, Mr. Boom here and welcome to Forex Billionaire Hub, and in this video I'm going to analyze the market for the next Monday to Friday, that means for the next whole week, and we're going to find out the market direction and key zone where market is going to be, or where market can be go, or where we have to take our entry, and we will analyze technical and fundamental both, and we will also talk about geopolitical issues and possible outcomes from the US-Iran war and what can be happen in upcoming economic calendars news. Okay, so without further ado, so let's get started. Before we start, we need to remove all the previous drink, and as per our trading style or analysis style, we need to analyze our chart, or we need to analyze the market with start from weekly, then we will find out our direction in daily time frame, then we can take our entry in H4 or H1 time frame. As per you can see there in weekly time frame candle, market is on a strong bullish momentum from last few years, and it just trying to go up again and again, and it just trying to touch all-time high again and again due to geopolitical issues. Firstly, there was Russia and Ukraine war, and currently there is US and Iran war. Okay, and due to US and Iran war, Iran stopped Hormuz Strait. So in that case, oil price gone high. Okay, right now oil price gone high, and based on US oil agreement, okay, I'm sorry, US oil agreement, while oil price go up, USD price or US United States dollar price also rise up, and we know that gold runs always with opposite direction, that means opposite direction of USD. So if USD price go up, gold price go down, because both run is in opposite direction. So as per we can see there, if I want to see the momentum or see the movement clearly, as you can see there, gold started to fall from there, and after 3 weeks of falling, there are 4 weeks of rising, that means bullish momentum. It just try to take a little bit correction, but due to the war or due to the blockade of Hormuz Strait, okay, US oil price go up, and in that scenario, and based on that scenario, gold price going down from last or past weeks. And you may ask me, Mr. Boom, what is the war update, or what is going to happen in next few days? Okay, so currently the war situation is totally 50-50. Okay, 50-50. There is no big attack, but there is possible to start war again. There was with Arc Spire agreement, and each and everyone blaming others that they violated the spire. Okay, and right now there is 2 ways blockade in Hormuz Strait, like Iran stopped the Hormuz Strait, and US also started to blockade the Hormuz Strait. That means if Hormuz Strait blocks for more few months, USD price will go up for that, and gold price, okay, gold price will be go down for that. So we have to consider that issue. Okay, and if the Hormuz Strait, okay, going to open again, gold price will start to rise up again, because due to oil price down, gold price will go up. Okay, you have to consider that issue. So let's get back into technical market, or we will analyze the market for technically. So let's get back into daily time frame chart. Daily is right now from past few weeks moving sideways, but there is uncertainty, instability due to the war. Okay, so if you want to take a closer look into the daily time frame candle, if I want to draw a trend line over there, as you can see there, market respected a lot of time for this trend line, but in that case it just dropped due to the geopolitical issues, or dropped due to the fundamental reasons. Okay, and it's just trying to get a correction. After that, there is also a breakout, and it's just trying to go down. And if you want to say, Mr. Boom, in that situation or in that scenario, what we can do? So let's try to draw a upper trend line zone over there. Okay, that could be okay. that is with a gap, that means we can consider that as a fake breakout. Okay, and as you can see there, market just go down again, respected that particular area, again go down, again respected that particular area, again trying to go down. Okay, and if I want to find out our proper zone or entry in H4, let's get back into H4 time frame. Let's remove all of previous drawing to make the chart clean, and as per you can see there. Okay, let's start it. As you can see there, or okay, now, and if I want to draw the what trend line zone, maybe from there to there. Okay, now it's in H4. Okay, and if I want to draw the resistance and support areas, that means possible support and resistance areas, that means it can be there, and our support area could be around that particular area. Okay, that particular area. So for now, if we want to draw Fibonacci retracement area to check what is going to happen in upcoming weeks, so let's check a retracement from the latest low to latest high. Okay, zone. Okay, as per you can see there, it just 38 point something, maybe I can see there clearly, and it may go down from that particular area, and we have a support area there. So we can't say market is going to buy from there or market is going to sell from there, because there is uncertainty. Okay, uncertainty due to where we have to wait till the market opens, then we can consider buying or selling. I hope you understand the thing. And the thing is, if market opens with a big buy gap over there, then we can consider to wait till that particular area, then we can consider buying from there. And if market want to go false, like create a pattern and then give us a sell confirmation, then we can continue selling. Okay, and we have to wait for the zone, and we have to follow the trend. Our trend is always our friend, if you have to remember that. And out of that, we have some economic calendar news. Number 1, we have unemployment claim news. Number 2, we have ISM service PMI news. Okay, number 3, we have FOMC. Okay, FOMC member Waller speaks, and we have AHE non-farm change, like that kind of news. So you have to consider all of things. So while you want to buy, if trend is buy there, we only consider buy entry, or we only consider buying, but into our zone. Like if it follow a channel, then we can only consider buying that area, like there. Okay, we can buy here, we can buy here, we can buy here, we can buy here, but we will avoid selling. And same for opposite direction. If we got sell confirmation or sell trading or sell trend line, we will only consider selling because of the trend, or because of the trend. Okay, always remember that trend is our friend, so you have to keep your mind on that. And one more thing to manage your risks and reward properly. Okay, risk to reward ratio, we always follow 1:3 risk to reward ratio. And if you want to take your SL 50 pips, you have to take your TP 150 pips. Okay, this is SL, this is TP. And if you want to take your SL 100 pips, you must have to consider 300 pips TP. Okay, so this is the thing that we are following from long term, and we are achieving our goal. So I hope all things clear now. For more query or for free signal or free chart analysis or free fundamental news or geopolitical news, you may visit our Telegram channel, that is completely free, link in the video description box. And if you want to learn more or know more about our services, you may visit our website www.fxbillionarehub.com. So that's for today. Mr. Boom signing out.